Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to create Bitcoin wallet account. If you own any Bitcoin or you're planning to get one but you're not sure which wallet you want to have and how you can create account onto it, so don't worry, in this video I'll show you how easily you can do it. So there are multiple wallets, multiple apps, multiple websites that offer the Bitcoin wallet through which you can manage all of your Bitcoin. But in this video, I'm going to show you the app which is called bitcoin.com. This one is by the Bitcoin developers and this one is considered to be very safe. So I'm going to show you how easily you can create account onto it and how you can manage your Bitcoin wallet. Also, you can find its link in the description below if you want to install it. So first you have to make sure that you have the bitcoin.com app. If you don't have it, then you can still get it from the description link or you can download it from App Store or Google Play Store. Once it gets open, it may ask you initially to create your account. If not, then you can later do it. But you can create wallet without an account as well. So once you're onto this home page, now what we have to do is that you have to look for the option wallets, and here we have it. It has already created my BTC wallet, which is specifically used for Bitcoin. So if you want to use it, you can do it, but if you want to create a new one, you can also do it. So to create new, you have to click onto this add import one. Now you have to click on add new personal wallet. You have to simply click onto this icon and then you have to give it a name. You can name it anything whatever you prefer, and at the top you can see the Bitcoin. Make sure this option is selected, otherwise you have to click onto it and do it. Now your wallet has been created. It asks you to add your key, but you can do it later. Once you add your Bitcoin, it will ask you, then you can do it. Now if your wallet has been created, you have to just simply click onto it. You can see I have created with the name Bit. You may have a different name based on which name you have added. So just simply click onto it. So here we have the option for send, receive, buy, and sell and swap. So if you want to send the Bitcoin, you must have Bitcoin, then you can do it through getting the other person's account address. And you can also receive it by sharing your account details. You can also buy it. There's a marketplace. You can find different sellers. You can purchase from it. And you can also sell it to different sellers and you can also swipe it. Other than that, you can manage your account like color, name, and some basic information like different things, so you can manage at all. If you want to create an account, then you have to click onto more or the three dots which is on the right bottom. Once you tap onto these options, you will get there. You have to click on sign in. Then either you can use your Google account or enter your email address, and after that it will create your account. And once your account has been created, you can log into another devices as well. And if you want to add more wallets, you can also do it. You even have to go to Bitcoin and you can manage first the wallet that you have created, or you can also create it and then you can just simply manage your Bitcoin there. Like you can send it, receive it, buy, sell, swap, whatever you would like to, you can do all these things. So that was all about creating Bitcoin wallet account. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. Leave a like, comment, and thank you for watching the video.